Hi, in this video we will see what is a centripetal force. So suppose there is an object which is going in a circular path around a center. So at different points, let us say the object is going with v speed. So what happens is this object which is going along this circular path experiences a force always towards the center. This is position A, this is position B. Let us say the object is going with the constant speed. So here the velocity is in this direction. How do you find the velocity direction? Means you have to draw the tangent at that point. So you have to draw the tangent at this point, you get the velocity direction. So at different points, even though the magnitude is same, but the directions is different. But this object will experience a force towards the center. Now that force is called centripetal force. This is given by Newton's law, and centripetal force is given by the expression mv square by r, where v is the speed of the object and r is the radius of the circular path. Okay, now let me ask you a question. Suppose there is a center like this and the object is going in a elliptical path like this. There is an object. Now write in the comment box whether this object which is at A right now and moving with v speed, will it experience a centripetal force along the center. Okay, here it is a circular path, here it is a elliptical path. What do you think is the answer?